Okay, the paperwork is all complete, so if you want to follow me, I can show you to your car. But first, here we have the vehicle condition report, which shows you the current condition of the car outside, as well as the vehicle check guide, which shows you what you need to be looking out for. I know you probably want to be getting going, but it is really important that you thoroughly check the condition of the car against this report, because if there are any changes in the condition, they will be your responsibility when you return the vehicle. We always recommend you take our comprehensive insurance package, as this way there is only a couple of checks at the beginning and end, and the process is a lot faster on both occasions. Changes to the condition of the vehicle do happen, and our comprehensive insurance package is the only way to leave yourself fully covered and have total peace of mind. To begin your inspection of the vehicle, start at the boot. Check that the parcel shelf is in place, as well as the spare wheel or tyre inflation kit. In this case, it's the inflation kit. While you're here, you can check your first damage hotspot. The top of the back bumper is often scratched, normally by luggage being loaded in and out of the vehicle. This car is in great condition and has no damage. So let's have a look at some other vehicles, the damage hotspots that you need to look out for, and find out how they happen. The number one damage hotspot is the alloy wheel. This can usually happen when you park against the curb and hit it. It's very easy to do. Always check it carefully, run your finger along the outside checking for any scratches. If you can't see it, you will be able to feel it. And even the smallest scratch can result in a repair or a replacement. When you're checking the alloys, make sure you check the tyres too. The next damage hotspot is the lower front bumper. This can be damaged if you go over a speed bump too quickly or hit it against the curb when you're parking. Again, very easy to do. To check it, you want to get down nice and low and run your hand along the bottom of the front bumper, checking for any scratches. Next on our checklist of potential damage hotspots are parking dents. You do not want to make the mistake of checking the car square on when looking for them. You will not see them. They can occur when someone knocks into your car, perhaps when you're parked. The correct way to look for them is to stand a couple of feet away from the vehicle, looking down the length, moving from side to side, up and down. This helps you see the car from lots of different angles and identify any parking dents. Scratches are another damage hotspot. They can happen for any number of reasons. Look for any scratches more than 15 millimeters long where the paint is broken. You can tell if the paint is broken by running your fingernail across the scratch and seeing if it catches. Don't forget to check the windscreen, our final hotspot for any chips or cracks. This particular chip would require a replacement windscreen. You've nearly completed your inspection of the vehicle. Now you need to check the fuel and the mileage matches that of the VCR. We end where we began, back at the boot. I now know I've inspected the whole car, and remember those loading scuffs I told you about? The damage hotspots I've shown you today are the most common changes of condition we encounter on our vehicles. But changes of condition can happen anywhere on the vehicle, so please check the whole car inside and out before you drive away. From the examples I've shown you today, you can see how easily changes in condition can occur during your rental, no matter how careful you are, and the repair costs can be high. It is for these reasons that we highly recommend adding our fully comprehensive insurance package to your rental. It is the only way to drive fully covered and therefore with total peace of mind. Thank you for watching this video. It will help you with this rental as well as all of your future rentals regardless of the supplier. And thank you for choosing Green Motion. I hope you enjoy your vehicle.